Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. So the Chinese them out in the East Prospect, yeah. I do some estimated work, estimated severe on the road there. So we don't know if the work or to kick off our morning. We don't know if the work or to kick off our on the road. But big super out here. We're out in the East Prospect. And we update with viewers and with subscribers them on what going on the road there. Because you know say it did pause from last year. The work did pause. The MP did kick up a storm in a parliament and say them have to change the contractors them, so them put it on a pause. So I don't know if the resumement take place now. Yeah, we don't know. If I resume, them I resume back the work out in the East Prospect. Because you see, they need to complete this stretch of road here. Yeah. Fairly, it will come on slowly but surely, but you know, they need some completion to take place out here on the East Prospect. So we're out here on the road this morning. It's a nice, sunny, beautiful Friday morning. And big super out here. And we're just looking at the roadway. We're looking at the condition of the road. And we're looking at what is going to take place, if anything is going to take place. But we observe that a team, I don't want to say China Harbor, but a team is out here inspecting the road for maybe with the intention of starting. We observe that a team out here with the inspection in starting the road. And can we speak to your dad and find out what's going to take place? Alright. So, the viewers and sub, we're out in the East Prospect and we are looking on the roadway. We're looking at the condition of the road. And you know, this stretch of road here stretch all the way from Bloomer where them start, come round through Flow Scheme and come along Browns and come all the way by out to Pedo, past the brick bar and come all the way out to Pedo. So we're on the road here and we see the people them, I assume from China Harbor, inspecting the road. So I don't know if them are them underground, I call it now like an underground inspection to determine how them going to approach the road. Me I try to see if I could get to speak to one of the Chinaman, but he must say him kind of busy now. So we just walk along with them and inspect and observe and look on what's going on out here on the roadway. We're looking at the condition of the road. Big super is here on the road. Yeah. I know we have to heal up the chopman them as usual, because them are one of the people them who traverse this road here on a daily basis, my viewers and subscribers. So I don't want to say work resume. But we see inspection taking place out here on the roadway. So we assume that this month going to end by now on Tuesday. Sometime that time around the month going to end. So maybe by next week we will be seeing some farmer work taking place out here in East Prospect. So my viewers and subscribers, Big Super is here, and you see the gentleman stand up over the wall and him make note of what's going on, and we also observe what's going on here out on the long level and stuff. So my viewers and my subscriber, Big Super is out on the long level. And we just want you to know that this work from last year, you remember when them pave from out of Bloomer War, and then they come where the promise, remember where the promise and all of these things, and the promises stop and demonstration and all type of something, and then it start again, and then it continue till it go right down to the corner when you pass Oxford Road, go around the little bend, it never go no further. That's where it stopped. Well, we don't know if it's going to start again. The viewers and subscribers, we don't know if it's going to start again. But we just observe, we're just observing workman on the road here, doing up them calculation and thing, and this stretch of road here, it's about 5 miles from East Prospect back to Morant Bay. You understand? So we don't know if them going to start up back the work on it, because we need this leg of the road here to really complete it, because I tell you my viewers and stuff, I go over by the west side. Yeah, we go over by the west side. I mean, I tell you a lie, over Seaford look good. Trust me, over Seaford look. I go over Seaford yesterday, and over Seaford look good, my viewers and subscribers. So we're up on the road here, my viewers, and we just highlight you guys, make you guys see that inspection taking place of the road out here in East Prospect. My viewers and subscribers, inspection taking place out here on the road, and we don't know if they're going to finish putting these black pipes, these underground pipes. We don't know if they're going to finish put it in the section of the road right here, but then whenever completed, right in front of me here, need to complete it. And when you go down, like you're heading to retreat down to the bridge where they stop, we don't know if them going to start it up back. But my viewers and sub, we can report that we see inspection of the road out in St.Thomas. We see inspection taking place where some work agency people come and them inspect the road. So we don't know for fully, because we are trying to get to talk to one of the gentlemen, but him say he was busy and stuff, so we couldn't get to talk with him. So inspection taking place out here on East Prospect. And remember, we need drains, we need sidewalk. The road them not have the line in the middle and all these things. And the culvert and all of these things need to be properly fixed up. So my viewers and sub, Big Super out here on a Friday morning out in East Prospect, just taking a look at what going on in the neck of this wood here and keeping you guys up to date on any form of progress that is taking place out in East Prospect. And if we see any form of work are going to start and continue, I'm going to keep you guys up to date. So for now, Big Super out in East Prospect. So remember to like, share, remember to subscribe, remember to turn on the post notification bell so the Jamaican voucher the people. I hope you guys can see him. Remember to turn on the post notification bell. Big Super out in East Prospect. Alright. Fame. Peace out.